Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about Mixer of Exports or MoE. Now let's get started. What is Mixer of Exports or MoE? Mixer of Exports is a neural network architecture where smaller specialized sub-networks called exports work together and decide which exports should be used for a given input. In traditional model, every single parameter or every neuron fires for every word we type. Therefore, the model becomes large, inefficient and costly. Hence, instead of using the entire model for every task, MoE distributes knowledge across multiple exports because not all the parameters are used for every input. Why do we need MoE? Modern AI systems require massive capacity, that is billions and trillions of parameters. Therefore, it has high computational cost. Hence, if we use the entire model every time, it becomes very inefficient. MoE introduces a key innovation, that is, only a small subset of exports is activated per unit, and the rest of the model remains inactive. Now, let's see how MoE works. The input, for example, an image, is first converted into numerical representation. The step 2 is gating network or routing mechanism. The gating network performs dynamic routing. Its job is to analyze the input, assign scores to each export, and it acts like a decision maker. Step 3 is top K selection. Instead of selecting all the exports, the model selects only the top K exports based on the highest scores. For example, if K equals to 2, only the top 2 exports are activated. This is called sparse activation. The step 4 is export processing. Each selected export processes the input independently. The exports are the neural networks specialized in different patterns. Each export produces an output vector. The step 5 is output combination. The outputs from selected exports are combined to produce the final result. Therefore, this is how MoE works. Benefits of Mixer of Exports: massive scalability. It can increase parameters without increasing the cost. Improved performance. It has better handling of the complex task. Efficient computation, because only a few exports are active. Specialization. Experts can focus on a specific language or reasoning task. Challenges of MoE. There is complexity in the training because it is harder to train than the dense model. There may be routing errors if gate network may choose the wrong exports. It is difficult to fine-tune MoE models without losing their specialized balance. Communication overhead. Data movement between exports can be expensive. Use cases of MoE. MoE is used in advanced AI systems for large language models, machine translation, recommendation systems. Different AI models use MoE to handle large workload efficiently. Future of MoE. The future of MoE is very promising. It is more adaptive and dynamic systems. There will be integration with multimodal AI systems. The larger models with efficient computations can be developed. Hence, MoE is a key method to scale artificial intelligence. Now, let's summarize Mixer of Exports or MoE. We understand that MoE uses multiple specialized exports, and only a few exports are activated according to the given input. Hence, this concept makes AI more reliable and efficient. In this way, we can say MoE is the bridge to artificial general intelligence. Okay, this was for today's episode. If you learned something new from this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next episode.